Hey, my dear audience, this is me, Fatima Wali, and welcome back in my another tutorial. In this tutorial, basically, this tutorial is going to be different. This tutorial, I'm not going to tell you about Canva. I'm going to tell you how can we make our own 3D animated story of Red Riding Hood. So if you want to watch this full video, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you're watching me from USA or India or Pakistan and don't doing subscribe, so please first of all do subscribe, or if you will not do subscribe, so I will be done talking to you. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, I will tell you that now what are we going to make. So today basically we are going to make a 3D animation video of Red Riding Hood with the help of ChatGPT, Leandro.ai, and Hello.ai. So let's start. So this is my tab, and here we can search for any of like thing you want. I'm gonna search for first of all ChatGPT. ChatGPT. First of all, you will log in ChatGPT for using ChatGPT. Now here I will give a prompt that uh, give me a give me a story of Red Riding Hood and also make it in scripts because I want to make a 3 2D, or you can write 2D or 3D. I write 3D animation of Red Riding Hood. So now this prompt will you can have this prompt in the description if you doesn't have to write, so you can copy the prompt from description. So this is our first script, so we will gonna do enter. ChatGPT has given a professional Red Riding Hood 3D animation with clear scenes, description, character, and actions. First of all, this is the style classic fairy tale with the cinematic tone. Duration 3 to 4 minutes. Okay. Character Red Riding Hood, mother wolf, grandmother hunter. Okay, hunter will save the Red Riding Hood and her grand. Okay, first of all, it's there. Here's the scene one, scene two, scene three, four, five, six. Okay, so first of all, we'll say ChatGPT convert these scenes in the four scenes only. You can also have this prompt in the description. This is the second prompt. I will enter it. Okay, now updated prompt. It has been give updated version of Red Riding Hood in just four main scenes. So this is the scenes: the journey, the wolf streak, the danger, the rescue, and lesson. The little Red Riding Hood. Okay, camera opens a small koji. Okay. Okay, so here are prompts. Now we will have a story. Give me story of 100 words. Okay, now it's been yes, 100 word version. It has been give us a small story. Now we'll say of 200 words because we need some long, so that's why, because we have to have the scenes. Once upon a time a kind little. Okay, now we will copy this whole story, and now we will go in new chat, and you have to generate your own prompt, your own story of Red Riding Hood, because if you will take my prompt, so it will be same. So that's it. So now we will paste our prompt. So now we will paste our story and say make this script in the only four scenes and on only four scenes. Yes, it will took some time, and ChatGPT will generate amazing scripts of this story. So yes, the scene one, the mission. Scene two, the encounter. Scene 3, the trick of the wolf. Scene 4, the rescue. Okay, so first of all, now we are gonna move on our next step. Since the step 2. Step 2 is that I am gonna click on share this tab. Okay, so first of all, we will search for Leandro.ai. Leandro.ai. You can also have the link in the chat in the description, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, in Leandro, here Leandro give us 150 credits of a day. If you have to take upgrade, you have to upgrade. I didn't upgrade it, so if you have to upgrade, so you can also upgrade. But I have today 150 coins, so it can also make video, but 200 coins will it will take 200 coins for one video, but we have only 150. So we'll click on image. Yes. Now you can see my all generations that I have generated these like so many images. Now I can generate one more. Okay, so I have gone on our ChatGPT scene. So from here we will copy mission setting action reds. Okay, we will paste this prompt in the Lander.ai. So we will see the results like if it will generate doesn't generate the good pics, so we will say ChatGPT to generate some scripts for our some scripts for making our images. So it will take some time, but it will generate so easily and so fast. Okay, now Leandro.ai has generated amazing pictures for us, and you can choose any of one you wanted to choose. So I will choose this one because this is Red Riding Hood, and this is no this one because this is Red Riding Hood, and this is her mother. Her mother is giving uh, the food bucket to the Red Riding Hood. So we will download this image. You can download any image you want. So now we are going to ChatGPT, and we will also give the scene 2. Here we'll give the scene 2 to our Leandro.ai. Scene 2, scene 3, and scene 4. We will give all scenes because Leandro can generate so many images in 1 second or in one thing. We are going to give all prompts. You can give also all prompts. I have given all prompts to Leandro.ai, and let's see the results. Okay, so it has generated the wolf pictures. So we can choose any of we want. So I'm gonna choose this one because this is looking real. So we will download this image, and it's generating two more. Click to view, click to view, click to view, click to view. Okay, so now this is our third script image. So I will choose this one because this is looking some good. And now our last image. Yes. So this is looking good. Yes. So I will download this image. Now our images has been generated. Now we what we have to do is for making videos. I have been my on my next tab. So here we have to search for hello.ai. It's a video or image generator, so we can generate images, videos. So here we are in my in hello.ai. You can also have the prompt from the link from the description. Here we will click on create video. We will upload image. First of all, you have to upload your first image. So my first image is where is my first image? This. This is my first image. I have been uploading that, and took some time. So till then, we will add the motions like camera movements. So you click on this button. From here, you can add any of you want. I will add this one, left circling, and now click on create, because the Hello AI give you 100 credits and make one video of 30 credits. So now we are gonna make our second video. You will make all the videos. So I have generated the all videos. It will take some time because if you have don't paid, so it will take some time, 22 minutes, 40 to 44 minutes. So till then, we will meet after the 2 minutes small break, and then we will see the hello.a video. So everyone, our one video has been generated. Like, I will show you the look. We will click on this video. Yes, you can see it's now moving. Okay, now we will download this video from here. You can't remove the watermark. So we will go back, and now our two videos has been generating, and let's wait for being generating, and one more video. Like our three videos are generating and one video is generating. Okay, so I will tell you that how can you combine these all videos. So you can combine these all videos from CapCut or from HairGene or any other tool you want to use or you know about. But I prefer CapCut because I know about CapCut, and you can combine all videos on CapCut and also add voice or music in it. And so yes. Okay, so it's taking some time. So when it will generate whole videos, so you can combine them on CapCut or any other platform you want to combine. So this is today's our tutorial. If you like this tutorial, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also click the bell icon button. Follow me for my more tutorials. Bye bye.